Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Nykaa haul video for you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Right there, click that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on my future videos. I post videos on fitness as well as lifestyle. So if you have any requests, you can also write it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to oblige. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going a little cray-cray with the metallic lip shade. So let me start with the first lip color I bought, and I bought a few, like 4 of NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks. So for the first shade is this NYX Liquid Suede. It is in the shade LSCL30. Let me tell you the name, and it is called Bella. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. Then you can just roll and it will come out like this. Applicator is very nice. It is very firm. And then let me swatch it for you guys. Actually, I did a same video sometime back, but then later I realized it was not recording, you know. So I'm doing this once more. And you can see how creamy it is. The texture is very creamy. It is very easy to apply. It just glides on my skin. And I did apply this NYX Liquid Suede, some other shade. I'll show you in some time. And it stayed for a longer time. It did not budge, so it wasn't smudging all over my face. It gave me a very perfect look, and it was so nice to apply. You can shape your lips using that, because whatever shape you glide that applicator, it will just apply there. And it's really an awesome product. And the similar liquid metallic shades are also available with LA Girl, but I found those were a little expensive than this. So this is 618, yeah, if I remember correctly. Or I'll also put down all the prices either here on the screen or in the description bar below, so you can go ahead and check out. Gorgeous color. You can see how metallic it is. Going to the shade which I applied yesterday night, and it is such a beautiful shade. It is very good for brown girls like who have skin tone like me. You see, this is the shade I'm talking about. You see how good it is? Oh my god. And once you apply, it becomes so good on your lips. It looks super. This is in the shade Pure Society. Next one is in the shade Mau Mist. So this is the Mau Mist. This is the next shade I got, and this is Exposed. So the name is Exposed. Let me tell you a fact about this, that if you are my skin tone, then you can skip this shade. You do not need this shade, because if you apply, it just gives you a washed out look, which you don't want, like this. So if you have already bought it, then what you can do is you can apply it underneath and then apply another shade, or you can apply your favorite shade and take a little bit of this and just apply it over it, so that it gives you a metallic sheen, and that's it. You can skip this. Smoothie texture, click. It is long lasting, click. It is easy to apply, click. And color pigmentation, click. So it has all the right properties in it, and I'm so happy that I bought these. Okay, the next one is from Nykaa itself. It's the Nykaa Paintsticks. So these are quite in rage these days, and I have bought in Smell the Rose shade. So they are saying that it is 3 characteristics in this thing which we need to test. It says super long wear formula, it says soft matte finish, it says extreme color intensity. Let me test the rest 2 of the things. After opening from the packaging, this is how it comes. So it looks more like a MAC concealer packaging, but it has this pink, solid pink, opaque, the upper layer of the lipstick, and then there is this black one right here. It is very different packaging, but I really like it. Just slide it up and roll. This is how it looks. Oh wow, this is such a creamy formula. It has a shine as well. It's very creamy and shiny. The pigment pigmentation is good. I like the pigmentation. It says super long wear formula. I'll tell you later on. And then soft matte finish, tick. Extreme color intensity, tick. Effortlessly apply, tick. Overall, it is a very nice. Next lipstick I bought is NYX In Your Element Fire. So these are the new lipsticks making rounds on the internet. You can say that's holographic, and the packaging is so very different. I really love the packaging. It's totally different, totally new, and they're trying to do something new here, which is awesome. And this is in the shade Metallic Copper, and it's a pretty shade. Comes in a black packaging with NYX and In Your Element written over here in a holographic way. So it shines as well in multiple colors. You see shade number or name written at the bottom, and then you just take it up. It's like a magnetic thing going on here if you leave it, and then just pop it up. And then here also you will see they have written this cute little NYX professional makeup. I really like that. And then when you roll it, it comes, the whole product comes, and you can see it is copper. Wow, can you see this? It's a very unique color. It is very buttery. It is very easy to apply. It just glides just like you're applying butter on your lips. It is marvelous. I'm so impressed with this collection. Oh my. Color is so very unique. You don't get it like same this color. So this was In Your Element Earth. Although this color is very nice, I was hoping a little different shade. When it says earth, it should be a little earthy shade, but I think copper metallic is, in my opinion, it doesn't come under earthy shade. Next in my list is this liquid eyeshadow, this radiant liquid eyeshadow from Nicka K New York. This is something which I have bought, which I've never bought before. So this is the first product of its kind, and this is in the shade Starlette Glitter. So this I bought for some glitter on my eyes. I was looking for a Stila when I was abroad, and somehow it skipped my mind whenever I was buying anything. So after coming back, I thought, is there any dupe for that? I couldn't find one, but I think this will do okay, as in it has glitter and it is like transparent kind, so I think this should be good. Black and white packaging. It's like transparent, so the inside is the glitter, only the glitters, so it's looking like white. It is not white, but it has a pink undertone, which I think is good. You can apply this just as the eyeshadow, or you can apply this over your favorite eyeshadow for some glitter. I am loving this, but the glitter, can you see? It's so shiny, it's so awesome. Sparkly. Okay, some drum rolls, because the star product of today's video is coming along, and that is NYX In Your Element Fire Eyeshadow Palette. Oh yeah, I simply love all the colors in this. Can you see how gorgeous is the packaging? Really love the design. It is giving you like, okay, this is something, it is speaking loudly that I am new, just buy me, I am total mystery. Oh my god. And then at the back it has all the shades which it has to offer, and it's really nice. So in this side it is written the name of the shade, and I think Aishwarya Kaushal is the one who is endorsing this, like from NYX side. So if you want more looks and all, you can check out her videos for more idea. So from inside it comes in this packaging, so you can see this fire is written in bold, and it is also shiny. So if I move it like this, it will shine. And then at the back you have all these shades mentioned, the numbers are mentioned. It has eyeshadow number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 11. These are the eyeshadow, and there are pressed pigments also. So if you see, there are like 4, 7, 9, 10 and 12. These are the pressed pigments. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. The star of the show. Oh my god, I keep falling in love all the time. You see how good it looks? So it has pressed pigments, it has matte shades, it has all the vibrant colors. You can have so many looks with this. So these are the swatches of the first line. So you can see it is pigmented, but it is not very much pigmented. If I will apply it twice, I think it will give me a very good color. So yeah, overall it is okay. Like pigment wise it is okay, but it is very easy to like apply. These are the warm tones, so it is very good for people who have warm under. They create sunrise, sunset, or the other looks, eyeshadow looks. I'm going to try this color. It is a very unique color. I have not tried it before anytime. Again, it also has this copper metallic color, just like which we had in this lipstick shade. It's similar kind of thing. That's why I was wondering why it came into the earth palette. It should be a fire palette, right? And then I have this orange, this red color, and this one is the gray. Pretty little packaging, but the only thing is that it is priced for 3,000. So it is a very high price for a drugstore product. Like 3,000 is quite high. But yeah, I made use of other offers which Nykaa keeps giving, like spin the wheel. So you can also use that offer just to get 5% off on your total bill, or they have other offers as well. And if you are a member of Nykaa, then you anyways get reward points and you can cash it out. So because there is no offer on this palette as such, you can use the other offers just to reduce the price. So excited to try this. If you're not following me on Instagram already, then please do, because I will use all these products and then I'll keep posting pictures or little videos of these. So if you're not following me there, just follow so that you will know how all these products like work or what I have to say about it and should you buy or not. So that is it guys for today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Just put it down in the description bar below and I will be happy to answer. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.